Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Nuremberg is probably one of the most significant and impactful trials in modern history, a pivotal moment that sought to hold individuals accountable for the atrocities committed during World War II and establish a new framework for international law and justice. Number 5. Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Lemon Lime. Experience the next level of hydration with our advanced formula. It's designed to replenish your body efficiently and effectively. Packed with essential electrolytes, this mix helps restore balance to your system. Feel revitalized and ready for anything. Enjoy the crisp and invigorating taste of lemon lime. It's a delicious way to stay hydrated throughout your day. Simply mix the powder with water for a quick and easy hydration solution. Perfect for on the go or at home. Support your overall well-being with optimal hydration. It's a simple step towards feeling your best every day. This pack provides 16 servings, ensuring you have enough to stay hydrated for an extended period. Enjoy lasting refreshment. What we like. Experience rapid rehydration with a delicious lemon lime flavor. This mix provides essential electrolytes to replenish your body quickly. If you need to recover after intense activity or a long day, this is your go-to for fast and effective hydration. What people say. The game features a unique dice-based combat system that adds a tactical layer to the strategic gameplay. Mission at Nuremberg offers a compelling narrative that immerses players in the historical events of World War II. The detailed miniatures and high-quality components enhance the overall gaming experience. Number 4. Mission Cooling Hoodie Towel. Experience instant cooling relief with our innovative hoodie towel. It's designed to keep you comfortable no matter the activity. Simply wet it to activate its evaporative cool technology. It cools down quickly, providing a refreshing sensation when you need it most. Enjoy UPF 50 sun protection, shielding you from harmful rays. This feature ensures you can stay outdoors longer without worry. The unique design contours to your head, ensuring it stays securely in place. You can move freely without it shifting. Whether you're playing sports, hitting the gym, or engaging in any fitness activity, this is your perfect companion. Stay cool and protected. What we like. Stay cool and protected with advanced evaporative technology. It offers UPF 50 sun protection and stays in place during any activity. If you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or spending time outdoors, this is perfect for beating the heat and sun. What people say. The hoodie design is a game changer. It stays on without slipping, and the material feels soft against the skin, no scratchy fabric or weird chemical smell like some other cooling towels. I've used it multiple times a week, and it's held up perfectly. No fraying edges, no fading, no loss of cooling power. Just rinse, re-wet, and repeat. Dries fast too, so you're not carrying around a soggy mess. The cooling effect lasts 45 minutes to an hour before I need to re-wet it. When I wear it outdoors in direct sunlight, it dries out in 15 minutes. Number 3. iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. Introducing the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, your all-in-one solution for a radiant smile. Achieve professional results from the comfort of your home. Our kit features advanced LED light technology that accelerates the whitening process. It's designed to effectively lift stains and reveal a noticeably brighter smile. With a 35% carbamide peroxide formula, it delivers powerful whitening without compromising your oral health. Experience a gentle yet effective treatment. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 3 3ml gel syringes for multiple treatments and a remineralization gel. It also comes with a comfortable, custom-fit tray. Simply apply the gel to the tray, where the LED light, and let it work its magic. Get ready to see a dramatically whiter smile in just a few uses. A brighter smile can boost your confidence. Invest in yourself with the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit and let your smile shine. What we like. Achieve a brighter smile with professional-grade whitening at home. It delivers noticeable results quickly and safely for your enamel. If you're looking for a convenient way to enhance your smile before a big event, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. After just a few uses, I noticed a visible difference in the brightness of my teeth. The combination of the LED light and gel really helps speed up the process compared to strips alone. The mouth tray is comfortable and flexible, fitting securely without causing discomfort. The kit is very easy to use, even for beginners, and the instructions are clear. I also appreciated that it didn't cause major sensitivity, which is something I've experienced with other whitening products. Noticeable whitening results within a few uses. Easy to use with clear instructions. Comfortable mouth tray. Minimal tooth sensitivity. Good value with multiple treatments. Number 2. Physician's Choice KSM 66 Ashwagandha 1000 mg. Feeling overwhelmed by daily stress? Discover a natural way to find your calm and enhance your overall well-being. This powerful supplement is designed to support your body and mind. Experience the benefits of KSM 66 Ashwagandha, a clinically studied extract known for its purity and potency. Each capsule delivers a full 1000 mg to help you feel your best. We've included organic black pepper to maximize the absorption of key compounds. This ensures you get the most out of every dose for optimal results. Whether you're looking to manage stress, improve your mood, or boost athletic performance, this supplement is here to help. It's formulated to support your active lifestyle. Our formula is crafted with organic ingredients and comes in vegan capsules. It's a clean and conscious choice for your health and wellness journey. Make the smart choice for your health. Embrace a balanced life with the natural support you need. Feel the difference it can make. What we like. Support your well-being with a potent organic ashwagandha extract. It's designed to help manage stress and improve mood effectively. If you're seeking natural ways to enhance your mental clarity and athletic performance, this supplement is ideal. What people say. Does wonders helping me sleep and go back to sleep quickly after taking the pups out in the middle of the night. It has a calming effect. I sleep well and having very few of the 3:30 a.m. wake UPS. It seemed to have more of an effect on my sleep. All in all serves a purpose but is a different thing from just a normal ashwagandha supplement. Still a great tool to help improve sleep and maximize your biohacking. Number 1. Unsupervised Novelty Graphic T-shirt. Looking for a shirt that speaks your mind? This is it. It's designed for those who appreciate a good laugh and don't take themselves too seriously. Add a touch of humor to your wardrobe with this graphic tee. It's the perfect way to express your witty side and stand out from the crowd. Embrace your unique style with this novelty graphic t-shirt. Its eye-catching design is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. This shirt is for the clever and the sarcastic. If you love a good witty remark, this is the perfect addition to your casual wear. Enjoy ultimate comfort while showcasing your sense of humor. This t-shirt is as comfortable as it is funny, making it a go-to choice. What we like. Make a statement with this uniquely designed, humorous t-shirt. It offers a comfortable fit for everyday wear. If you appreciate witty sarcasm and want to express your personality with a laugh, this shirt is a fantastic addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The print doesn't fade at all, I use it for the gym as well. The size is similar to grunt style, they all have the same fitting and feel except the sleeves go down the arm a little further. Great fit for bodybuilders. Material is stretchy but thick enough not to rip. Excellent quality, style, wearability, fit. I've washed it several times and lettering still looks new. Size accurate, and he gets lots of comments on how cool this shirt is. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.